Hello and welcome to Create and Edit a Route. This is a more in-depth understanding of creating a route from scratch. We're going to cover things like adding locations and days to your route, creating your own custom locations, and editing content. So with that said, let's get started. A route is simply a sequence of locations arranged by days or stops. A route might include an overview, location descriptions, and location images. There is no style associated with a route, it is purely the raw data. First things first, you're going to head to your dashboard and click the Route tab. To launch a new route, I'm going to click the New Route button, which will launch a new tab for me, which means I can work on multiple documents at once. Now that I've got the window open with my new route document, I can go ahead and give it a name. Today I'm just going to call it Demo Route. If this is your first time inside the route editor, you can break it down into 3 different areas. First, you have your map, where you can search and add locations. Next up, you have your route itself, where you can add days and add locations too. And you have your content, where you customize, upload, and add details. Notice that I can expand the different areas based on what I'm trying to do. To add a location to a day, simply just click on the location and add it. The system will automatically add it to the first empty day. If I'd like to remove it, all I have to do is press the X symbol. Now that I have at least one day and one location added to my route, I can see that my Add Route to Presentation button has now been activated. That means if I click this, it will create a new presentation document and automatically add this route to that presentation. I can add days to my route just by clicking the plus button just underneath the day that I want to add it to. If you're following along, this is a good time to pause the video and add a few more locations to the days. To add your own custom location, all you have to do is click this Create New Location button. That'll drop a pin where I can move around and find the location that I'd like to add. Once I'm happy, I can click the plus symbol and it will automatically add to my route. I can rename the place whatever I'd like. So for example, Sexual Place. I can upload my own images and I can write a description about their location. Now that we've added a few locations to our route, we can start to think about how we'd like to customize it. First up, I'm going to think about my overview. I can see that I've got overview days, which I can write some information on. For example, for the first day, we're going to be spending it on so-and-so island, going to these different places. Second day, we can write something about that day as well, and so on and so forth. I can click on a specific day and edit the content for that specific location. So if I've got images, I can view the images, I can delete them, I can also upload. If I'd like to make a change, I can do so by just clicking into the area and then making that change. Notice that the location is now turned purple, which means that that location now belongs to me. Any locations that are now purple will be available for me to use in the future. Now that I'm happy with my route, I can either navigate back to the dashboard or I can create a presentation straight from here. I really recommend you watch our other tutorials on how to create and edit presentation. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching.